What's up guys, it's Techbud here, and today we are going to be unboxing the iPad 7th generation. This was released alongside the iPhone 11 and the 11 Pro, and it's just a minor upgrade from the iPad 6th generation. The only difference between this iPad, the 7th generation, and last year's iPad is that it has a slightly bigger screen, 0.5 inches to be exact. Here are the specs of the iPad. So that was the unboxing of the 7th generation iPad. As for the charger, it's still a 10-watt charger, so there's no upgrade in wattage there. I also have the iPad 6th generation with me as well, so you guys can get a view of the size difference. So it's not that much bigger, only by a few millimeters. It's a tiny bit taller as well, a little bit wider. One thing I also forgot to mention was the fact that the iPad 7th generation has 3 pins at the bottom. This allows it to be used with Apple's keyboard case. I'll put a picture over there. So yeah, that's just one more difference between the iPad 6th generation and the 7th generation. So apart from those two differences, the display size and the keyboard connector, everything else is exactly the same. They have the same display resolution, the same cameras, both front and rear. They also have the same Apple A10 Fusion chip, which in my opinion I think Apple should have upgraded, considering the fact that the chip is almost 4 years old. So that will conclude my unboxing. Just to recap what came inside the box, we have the lightning cable and the 10-watt charger, and also the iPad itself. Thank you for watching the video guys. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.